Good evening, this is Jan. I'm enjoying my wine. This is Corbière, one of my favorite wines from the south of France. It's a little bit fruity, it's a little bit spicy. Gonna eat something with it. It's gonna be a burger. And I want my burger to be spicy as well. So gonna make a kind of special sauce with it. The samurai sauce. A blend of mayonnaise and sambal. I'm gonna make a little bit of a variety from this, which is called the Harakiri sauce. The same ingredients, only on a higher spice level. I'll start with making the sauce. One of the most important things for this burger. I got mayonnaise right here. 1 tablespoon. A little more, like 1.5. And sambal ulek, traditional Indonesian sambal, red pepper sauce, the spicy variant. So there must be like 1.5 spoon as well. So that means half. And I mix this thoroughly. I just try a little for the taste. Yeah, that is spicy, alright. I can handle this harakiri sauce. Next up is the meat, which is also very important, because without the meat there is no burger at all. It's ground beef, of course, as always. I'll put some spice in there, a little bit of salt and black pepper as always. Cayenne pepper for extra heat. And then to make it more Asian, because it's a harakiri burger, I'm gonna put ginger in there, quite a lot, for the spice and for the flavor. And also ketchup asin, of course, being the Indonesian soy sauce. You can put Japanese soy sauce in there, or any other kind of soy sauce you like. A little bit of flour to make it extra firm. And then mix it up all thoroughly. And then I'm gonna make this ground beef into a nice patty with my hands. Smells very flavorsome, especially from that ketchup. The real Indonesian soy sauce smell, that is nice. And then this goes into the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, I take a sip of my wine. You must never forget about your wine. Wine is important on its own, as well as together with the food you're making. It's about time to start preparing the vegetables, because what a good burger needs is vegetables, for sure. This is pak choi, all Asian vegetable. Chop this up roughly like this in a hot pan with olive oil. Plus I'm adding a little bit of extra Asian flavor with lemongrass. And lao root. It's time to build the burger. Start with a little bit of Harakiri sauce. And then I put some of the pak choi in there. I prefer the leaves. A little bit of stem as well. And then the burger itself, some more of that Harakiri samurai sauce, quite a lot. That looks beautiful. Slice of tomato. Top of the bun goes on top. And there it is. Ladies and gentlemen, I proudly present to you the Harakiri burger. And as a garnish, I put some of that beautiful pak choi together with fresh tomato and Amsterdam onions, that is like slightly sour onions. I'm gonna eat this burger. You can feel the red pepper on your tongue. It's spicy, alright. Very nice with that pak choi. That earthy flavor. I like these kinds of burgers a lot. Full flavored, the full beef flavor, together with the Asian spices, that sauce. Samurai sauce, but a little bit heavier. You know, pak choi on its own is already a beautiful vegetable. That much flavor. Pickled Amsterdam onion. A real treat from the Netherlands. Nice acidity, nice freshness. This is a beautiful burger. Even that harakiri sauce is becoming more mild. Well, if you're used to this kind of level of spice, it turns out to be quite okay. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do. Well, the burger is already finished, so I must be enjoying my pak choi, which I'm doing. En de corbière.